Hi, I'm Isabel with the Farmer Success team here at FarmRaise, and today I'm going to walk you through how you can complete your balance sheet on FarmRaise Premium. We're going to walk you through how to put in your assets, your liabilities, and generate the balance sheet as a CSV or a PDF. Let's jump in and get started. You will first begin by heading to the FarmRaise dashboard and then to the tracks. You can then click on Accounts and go to Edit. You can then enter the current value of your bank account and then click to add this account to your assets. If you update the balance or the name of the account, it will automatically update in your assets, but putting in transactions will not automatically update it. You will have to update it before every balance sheet. And here you can see me in assets, seeing it under current. Now for intermediate assets, these are for 1 to about 7 years. And here you can see me put in the purchase price, the purchase date, but I can also choose if I want to do it by market value or by depreciation. And so depreciation is using the straight line method, so what the salvage cost will be and its expected lifetime, so its useful lifetime, and so then it will be spreading the cost over the useful life of the equipment or the asset that you are putting into the app. Next, we'll be heading to long-term assets, and you can once again put in the market price or the depreciation price with the salvage value and the useful life. So you can then head to liabilities. When you get to liabilities, your current liabilities will be liabilities such as loans or credit cards that you will pay off within the next year. So here you can see me updating the balance of this credit card account, as well as making sure that I have the interest rate in there correctly. Next is intermediate, so these will be paid within 13 months to 10 years. And then you can also do the same for your long-term assets, which are 10 years or longer, such as a mortgage or real estate loan. Next, you will then go to your balance sheet. You can also include your outstanding invoice balances, and then you can generate your balance sheet, and you can see it all summarized here on the screen with my assets and then my liabilities. And then it will figure out my net worth, which is negative 77,000. And then my asset to liability ratio, and then my debt to equity. So then I can get it as a CSV file by email or downloading it, or as a PDF file by emailing it or downloading it. And then you can generate another balance sheet at a different time. If you have any other questions about how to prepare your balance sheet on FarmRaise Tracks, please feel free to reach out at support@farmraise.com.